So that's enough. Give yourself a big hand and say, I see. See what? You have seen what we can do, but we haven't done. Oh, please sit down first. Please have a big seat. I want 3 people to help me to come up on stage, if this is a stage. Please. You said, I can, but will you? Will you take the risk? We can take the risk. Something interesting. I want a lady to. I want 2 gentlemen. Give them a big hand. Give them a big hand. Give them a big hand. The real big hand. The real one. I want a lady. Yeah, pretty lady. Give her a big hand. I have not brought enough gifts, but next time I'll bring for each of you. Thank you. So do what I do. This is training. You can follow. This is training, physical training. Train your left arm. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. After lunch. 1, 2. After lunch is difficult. Okay. Your right arm. 1, 2, 3. Stand up. Stand up. Okay. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. You know what I asked you to do. I asked you to do what I